Well, guys, I've been a little bit busy working on some stuff. You guys will remember my spike lug nuts. Um, well, I wanted matching stuff, so I went into Fusion 360 and designed one of these. And what this is the door latch puller tab thing for the Squarebody Chevys. So I designed this in Fusion, and then I 3D printed them. So it's a little rough on the top. Come on, focus. Come on, focus. It's a little rough on the top, but I can fix that. Some sandpaper and stuff. And then I just ran a 10 by, or what was it, number 10 24 tap down in the hole that I made. And then I made 4 of them. And I'm going to replace my door tab pulley thingies with these. So if anybody wants this file, I can definitely upload it for you guys. You just need a 1024 tap to tap the hole, and then it'll fit into your or thread right onto the rod. So yeah, or if you want to modify the file or do whatever you want with it, I'll upload it and put it on. I'll put it on my website for you guys. Yeah, a lot of you guys will remember I was running these. These are brass valve stems, actually. They go into a tire like that, and for some reason, the threads inside that the core goes into is pretty flippin' close to 1024. But I've already got the fronts replaced. There and there. And now I'm working on the rear. So it's very difficult to do, actually. But yeah, just threads right on. Gonna have to trim that rod down just a hair. Yeah, it's sitting up just a little more proud than the other ones, but not a big deal. So anyways, I thought that was something pretty neat that I could share with you guys.